Hi, my name is Marilyn, and today we'll be unboxing the Aruba CX4100i Ruggedised 24-port PoE switch. If you find this video useful, please click like and subscribe to stay up to date with all the latest content.
The CX4100i series switches are purpose-built for operation in challenging environments such as warehouses, factories, and installation in NEMA-rated enclosures. The switch also supports an extended temperature range from -40 to +70 degrees Celsius. Let's get straight to the unboxing. Here you have your startup guide and safety and compliance documentation. The unit ships with a country-specific high-temperature rated power cord. It also comes with a wall mount and rack mount kit option, which we will cover in more detail towards the end of this video. There is nothing else in the box. The 24-port 4100i model is a heavy and robust unit weighing at 6.5 kilos. It's designed for fanless operation and is essentially built around a large passive heatsink. On the front, you have a power socket, cable tie anchor, and a grounding lug connector. There are 4 SFP Plus ports. You can use the standard range of Aruba transceivers if your operating temperature is between 0 and 50 degrees Celsius. For operation in the extended temperature range, that is, below 0 or above 50 degrees Celsius, you should use the range of industrial-grade transceivers from Aruba. There are 24 1Gig PoE ports. The first 4 ports are PoE Class 6 and are capable of delivering up to 60 watts of power each, while the rest are standard Class 4 PoE Plus, delivering up to 30 watts. The overall PoE budget is 240 watts. The switch supports 3 alarm ports, 2 input and 1 output. These can be connected to third-party devices like doors and sensors for input, and a bell or a light as output, and actions can be configured through the CLI. There are 2 console ports, your standard RJ45 serial connector, as well as USB-C console port hidden behind the dust-proof cover. There is also an auxiliary USB-A port which can be used to download and update the switch firmware. Use the LED mode button to toggle display modes of port LEDs. You can perform a switch reset by pressing and holding the reset button. You will need a pin to reach it in case you ever need to use it. On the back of the switch is a Kensington lock socket and a sticker showing the switch serial number and MAC address. Let's look into the mounting options with a bit more detail. The switch ships with 2 short mounting brackets for wall mounting, 4 wall anchors and corresponding screws and washers for wall mounting. There are 2 long mounting brackets to be used for the standard 19-inch rack, 8 countersunk screws for securing the mounting brackets to the switch, and 4 screws to attach the switch to the rack. There are 4 rubber feet for desktop installation. And lastly, a cable tie used to secure your power cord. To install the switch on the wall, remove the pre-installed flathead screws and do not reuse them. Attach and secure the wall mount bracket using the provided countersunk screws. Repeat on the other side. For installation, make sure that the heat sink is facing away from the wall and the ports are facing down. To install the switch into a standard 19-inch rack, remove the pre-installed flathead screws and do not reuse them. Attach and secure the wall mount bracket using the provided countersunk screws. Repeat on the other side. And install the switch into the rack. Do not install equipment directly on top of one another. Leave a 2 RU gap above and below the switch to allow for sufficient air circulation. You can also use the optional Aruba standard 4-post rack mount kit, which is sold separately and is not included in the box. And there you have it. For more information, check out the library at phoenixpro.club. If you found the video useful, please click like and subscribe to stay up to date with all the latest content. Thank you for watching!